So let's see this question. Okay, so the patient is hypertensive on enalapril and thiazide. Okay, sodium is 124 and creatinine is 2.8 and random blood sugar is 112, blood urea 24, serum osmolarity 255, urine osmolarity 350, and then urine sodium is 110 and BP is more than 150 by 90. Okay, so we have to tell the reason for the low sodium. Okay, so options are SIADH, diuretic induced, cerebral salt wasting, and pseudo hyponatremia. Okay, so what our mind will think first time, see patient on the thiazide, so it may be diuretic induced and we will mark that. Okay, but this is not the scenario here. We have to see the other parameters also. Okay, so here BP is increased, 150. So why not diuretic means, in the case of diuretic, the patient will be dehydrated, BP will be low, but that is not the scenario here. Okay, and in the option C, that is cerebral salt wasting. In this scenario, in that scenario also BP should be low. Okay, and in the case of pseudo hyponatremia means sodium decrease and osmolarity should be like normal and increase, na. But you can see the osmolarity also. Okay, so the answer will be SIADH. So the answer will be SIADH. Okay, so diuretic, like option B, option C. Why not? Because BP should be low, and in the case of option D, that is pseudo hyponatremia. So the osmolarity will be normal or increase, but here osmolarity is 255. That is less. Okay, so the answer will be SIADH. So in this scenario, you can see the serum osmolarity 255 means less, and urine osmolarity 350, that is more than 100. Okay, and urine sodium more than 40. Here 110 given, so that is the criteria of SIADH.